You've got 1.5 minutes per mark, so spend just 90 seconds on A part 1. We just need one knowledge point, so that is identifying one barrier to entrepreneurship. First one that springs to mind is not enough money, or in business terms, access to finance to start the enterprise. In A part 2, we've got 3 marks for this question, so that's 4.5 minutes if we've got 90 seconds per mark on paper 2. The command word is explain. To secure all the marks, we need one knowledge point followed by developed application. We don't need to refer to the case study as there is no reference to the case study in the question. We secure the marks for developed application by applying to the business generally. Let's go with our textbook definition of partnership. That's 2 or more people who join together to form a business. Next, we need developed application. So we essentially explain a feature of the partnership a little further. I usually go with unlimited liability, as this is easy to explain using the example of a business going bankrupt. There is unlimited liability, so if the partnership between dentists goes bankrupt, each of the partners could have to pay off the debts of the business from their personal assets. Now we need to get stuck into the case study, as the B questions refer explicitly to the case study. 3 marks for this question, so that is 4.5 minutes if we've got 90 seconds per mark on paper 2. Here we have to calculate market share by revenue. So GR's revenue is 15,000 out of a total market of 5,000. So we divide 15,000 by 500,000 and multiply this by 100. This gives us 3%. Remember to write your working down so that if your calculation is wrong, you can still secure some of the marks for the working. There's 3 marks for this question, so that is 4.5 minutes if we've got 90 seconds per mark on paper 2. The command word is explain. To secure all the marks, we need one knowledge point followed by developed application. We need to refer to the case study as there is a clear reference to the case study in the question. So we have to talk about GR's supply of products, digital resources. This is a little bit of a tricky question, as a digital resource is not normally what we talk about when we're referring to supply and demand. Usually it's more tangible products such as manufactured products or agricultural products. However, we can choose from the factors of production: land, labour, capital and enterprise. Let's go with labour in this case. The lack of skilled labour to create resources. As GR is a small business with just 3 partners to create the digital resources, this may restrict supply to what they can create, and it may be difficult to find skilled content creators to outsource. And that is the short answer questions done. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you really want to reach for the A stars, head to the EDS Business Essential website where you can pick up your business exam guide free.